Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. My name is Amani McGregor and I am the founder and CEO of Luxury House Search, and today we have a new video. But first, our team here at Luxury House Search would like to thank all of you guys for your love and support. Our top luxurious bathroom trends video just hit 100,000 views, so thank you so much. We really appreciate you guys. So with that being said, we thought why not make a top luxurious kitchen trends video for you guys. Well, being quarantined, I definitely am stepping up my cooking skills, and I feel like I'm spending a lot of time in the kitchen lately. The only thing that I hate about the kitchen is the dishes. I would say that's probably the only thing that I hate. I'll throw down, but I don't want to clean the dishes. Also, make sure you check out this video. I went ahead and organized my entire kitchen from start to finish. I share some great tips and advice how to stay organized. If your favorite room in the house is the kitchen, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any styles that's your favorite, I'd love to know. So leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, and let's jump into the video. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to check out all of our social media accounts at Luxury House Search. And if you'd like to follow me, you can follow me at Amani_McGregor. And until next time, we will see you in our next video.